Hi friends, I am Kavyan Sethi once again with you. Today I am going to tell you a story on the topic The Shrinking World. Friends, do you know the world is shrinking? But why? It all starts with the invention of the wheel. So please listen it carefully because it is a story on the development of the infrastructure. The Shrinking World. Two things from which the world started shrinking are means of transport and means of communication. But today I will tell you only the story of means of transport. Here we begin with the story of the land transport. Friends, there are 4 types of roads in India: national highways, state highways, east-west corridors, expressways or freeways. Now, I will tell you the story of the first highways of India. The trunk roads, now known as NH1 till Delhi and NH2 till Kolkata, were built to connect Lahore to Kolkata. Some expressways in Europe connect countries. Now let us come to the story of journey of railways in India. Railways. The first train in India was introduced in 1853. It covered a distance of about 30 kilometers from Mumbai to Thane. Great. Can you tell me what is the position of Indian Railways in the world? Indian Railways are 4th largest railway networks in the world. Shatabdi Express and Rajdhani Express are some of the fastest trains in India. Steam locomotives were used in the 19th century. Later on, diesel and electronic locomotives began to replace them in the 20th century. So friends, you can see the first picture is of the steam locomotive. The second one is of the diesel locomotive and the third one is of the electric locomotive. Wow! Now comes a new question. Can you tell me which is the first and second largest railway lines in the world? The first largest railway line in the world is UV Madrid railway line. The second longest railway line is Russian Trans-Siberian Railways. Japan's bullet train was a revolutionary design and fastest train. Now newly maglev trains are fastest in the world with a test speed of more than 600 km per hour. Here you can see on the screen the picture of the maglev train. Now I take you to the journey of air transport. Friends, do you know from where the story of air transport started? It started from the Wright brothers. Wright brothers were first to invent a plane in 1903. Their plane was named the Flyer. It is the costliest but the fastest means of transport. Now I share with you the picture of Wright brothers, and in the background you can see their first plane, the Flyer. There are 2 types of flights, domestic flights and international flights. Now I present you the picture of the airway of India. It is the Air India. Other airways of India are Jet Airways, Indigo, Go Air, etc. Friends, look at this amazing thing. Now let us go to the story of water transport. Water transport was the earliest means of transport. It was explored by European and American travelers. It helped to the growth of world trade. The most important thing that must discussed here is the Panama Canal. Panama Canal is South America, shorter the sea route from Australian and New Zealand countries to east coast of America. It is 80 km in distance and takes just 8 hours to cross. It connects the Atlantic Ocean with the Pacific Ocean. Great! Next one is the famous Suez Canal. It connects the Mediterranean Sea with the Red Sea. It shortens sea route for ships traveling from England and European countries to India and Eastern Islands. It takes time of 2 weeks to travel from England to India through it. So our next topic is traveling into space. Friends, do you know America's businessman Dennis Tito became first man to travel to space for 10 days in Russian Soyuz spacecraft. Rakesh Sharma was first Indian to go to space in April 1984 in Russian spacecraft Soyuz T-11. Friends, do you know Kalpana Chawla? Kalpana Chawla was first woman of Indian origin to go to space. She lost her life in NASA space program, which met with an accident in space and lost its all crew members. Friends, you must know the Chandrayaan-1. Chandrayaan-1 was India's first mission to moon. It was successfully launched on 8th November and it was successfully ended in August 2009. So with this, I sum the story. I will be back with the part 2, that is means of communication, within a few days. Till then, catch up you later. Thank you for this. Like, share and subscribe for more videos. Catch up you later. Thank you.